Today we tackle the most difficult question that Apple does not even know the answer to. What is a computer? A computer is something that takes some information as input, applies some transformation to the information, and outputs new information. Many things can fit that description, but we're focusing only on modern electronic computers. Let's take a quick look at the basic building blocks. At the heart of the computer, you will find the arithmetic logic unit. It just does math. For instance, you could feed it two numbers and ask it to add them together. It would then spit back the sum. The data and instruction that arithmetic logic unit needs to perform computations come from registers. They are very, very fast, but very, very tiny memory. Instructions to the arithmetic logic unit need to be run in a specific order. Keeping set order is the job of the program counter. It is a special register memory location that keeps track of the address of the next instruction. Registers are connected to a tiered memory storage pool called caches. Caches are slower than registers, but can store more information. They serve as an intermediary memory location between the super fast registers and a super slow main memory. Along with the bus interface, the aforementioned components make its central processing unit. It connects to the main memory via the memory bus. Main memory is what is colloquially referred to as RAM. The CPU bus interface also connects to an I/O bridge that aggregates all other data sources. Just to know, from the processor's perspective, peripherals such as keyboard and mouse and printer and monitor are no different than hard drives. They all generate for and receive data from the processor. We can see that this model adheres to the definition of a computer nicely. The memory subsystem provides input data and records output data. The execution unit transforms the data. This is a computer. Thanks for watching. I'd like to give special thanks to pseudoephedrine, who did not sponsor this video. I don't know how to cook meth, but when my nose is congested, it does wonders. A possible side effect is erectile dysfunction. You win some, you lose some. This is an Indian Tribe production, all rights very much reserved.